wanted to make sure that we didn't forget how well we've done, so far, how much effort we've put in, and that we can be proud of ourselves. I think that was, the first thing mentioned, and then secondly it was to make sure that listen, this is done now, can't be changed, and we go and do the business against Russia. We've enjoyed preparing for this game, working hard, and we've got huge self-belief now that we can go out and perform.
We show our passion, we show our team spirit, our character, that's what we're made of, and we'll all do whatever we need to do for the team. We have a whole nation behind us which have been incredible. The fans at the stadium, outside the stadium, at home in Wales, just to keep fighting for ourselves and them, and I'm sure we'll definitely do that.
That's why I love meeting up with Wales and representing my country, because I know that it doesn't matter, whether it is Gareth Bale, Aaron Ramsey, every single player on that pitch gives 100%. For me, that's what team sport is all about. I think it's the biggest reason behind some of the successes we have had.
We're a very hard-working team, we always have been, and that's what we base our success off. As long as we keep the right attitude, the right work rate up, I believe we have a very good chance. Obviously we know Russia are a great team, they're here on merit, and it's going to be a very difficult game, but we'll be going in there with full of confidence, trying to win and trying to progress.
That's what it's all about for me as a kid, watching the national team. That's what I dreamed of. I dreamed of getting there. That was my ambition, so it makes me hugely proud to have the chance to put on that shirt and represent my country, and not only do that but to do it somewhere like at the Euros is a dream come true for me. And I'm sure if you ask all of the lads in the squad, they'd say a similar thing.